Namaste and warm greetings from MNR Scottsdale Group of Schools. Welcome to Be the Best for Your Child, a special video series designed to strengthen the powerful partnership between parents and educators. Let me begin with a question. When was the last time you spoke to your child's teacher outside of a PTM? If you just realized it's been a while, you are not alone. But here is a secret. The strongest students don't just have smart minds, they have strong support systems. And that begins with a powerful partnership between parents and schools. Welcome to Parent Connect, where MNR Scottsdale helps families and educators grow together. Today, we will discover why the parent-school bond is so important, what it should look like, and how you can build a healthy, respectful and impactful relationship with your child's school. Because when school and home walk hand in hand, our children soar higher. Why does this partnership matter? Children thrive when parents and schools work together. It helps reinforce learning, boosts motivation, and catches challenges early. Students feel supported, seen and secure both at school and home. What does a strong partnership look like? Two-way communication, not just top-down updates. Mutual trust and respect. Teachers as professionals, parents as primary caregivers. Involvement, attending events, checking updates, supporting school values at home. Consistency. What is taught at school is echoed at home. How can parents communicate effectively? Read circulars, diaries, WhatsApp group posts. Be proactive. Don't wait for problems. Speak to teachers with curiosity, not judgment. Share relevant updates about the child's health, emotions, or learning struggles. What can teachers do? Provide updates beyond academics like attitude, strengths, habits. Appreciate, not just critic. Listen to parents and invite their input. Use simple, actionable language for clarity. What we do at MNR Scottsdale. At MNR, we live this partnership daily through interactive PTMs, parent engagement committees, feel-good calls from teachers to appreciate progress, home connect tasks, mentoring and parent circles for new parents, because we don't see parents as visitors, we see them as partners. Let's summarize the golden rule. When parents and schools communicate with trust and empathy, the child doesn't feel pulled between two worlds, they feel supported by both. Remember, be curious, not critical. Be proactive, not reactive. Celebrate growth, not just grades. Approach school as an ally, not an authority. Behind every confident learner is a strong home-school connection. Ready to strengthen your partnership with school? Share in the comments one way you have connected with your child's school recently. Reach out to your child's teacher this week just to appreciate or ask how you can support learning at home. Reflect on your child's school experience. What's one thing you can do to enhance it? And don't forget to like, subscribe to the MNR Scottsdale YouTube channel, EdWise. Watch our next episode, Making the Most of Parent-Teacher Meetings. Together, let's raise empowered, joyful learners, one partnership at a time. See you soon.